Hello, guys. Kosi Ochusi here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, the issue of Kwekwe, guys. I really think there's something wrong lah. Why the whole minister of police had to lie ngema-DNA emntwana ukuthi they were taken and there was no foreign what DNA found emntwaneni, knowing very well because the principal akakathathi ma-DNA. Mina, I think the caretaker and the principal knows very well ukuthi kwendakalani at the school at that day. They just could buy a fihla. I don't know, maybe the principal is bribing them or whatsoever, but there's really something wrong lah. So I've been going through my comments and other things with Twitter, Facebook, and other social medias. People are really worried. There's no justice in this country, guys. Ayikho qobo qobo. If we don't fight for this case to be resolved or to get to the bottom of it, we failed bantwana bethu. We have not just failed Kwekwe, but so guys, I'm still saying justice for Kwekwe, justice for every young kids who are being abused, raped etikolweni. Let's fight for them, guys. If we have to shut down the country, let's do so. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for me.